Hey YouTube, Phil's Fan is back for an unboxing video this time. This is 2010 opening day. Hobby box, I believe, like one of those ones you find at like Target. I actually got this a month or so ago from Carl's Cards and Collectibles in the Phillies mystery box that I had gotten. I hadn't opened it yet. It's kind of ironic that it is the 2020 opening day because we haven't had opening day yet in baseball. Hopefully that will be coming in July, but I really don't think we're going to have a baseball season this year, and it's unfortunate. So, I haven't opened this yet, but I just split open the plastic parts so that I wouldn't be struggling with it, you know, while I was trying to break it open. So, these boxes have 10 packs plus one extra pack, so you have 11 packs. Opening day is a pretty nice set. It's geared mostly to the younger collectors, kind of get the kids started on the hobby. But they're nice. They're very nice cards. They're very nice base cards, and there are occasionally hits. I believe it says look for autograph and relic cards, so you can have some hits in here. So let's see what we have. So there we go. We got, you know, our 10 packs in here. This might be a long video, but I don't think there's a whole lot of cards in each pack. So let's. Well, what we got. Especially if I struggle like this, opening them up. So. You cannot see these cards, so very nice. I mean, they're almost like photos. There's no real border on them this year, so I like how they have the team logo down here in the opening day. So, and then we have National Baseball Card Day, Celebrate with Topps, August 8th, 2020. So I'm wondering if they're going to still be doing that. So have to check that out. I got a Yankee Stadium card. It's pretty cool. Let's stack up the cards here. I'm just going to be ripping these packs. Very nice cards. Oh, there's a Bryce Harper card. Pretty happy with that. One with his Fanatic headband on there. Giancarlo Stanton. And then, it seems like we got two cards in here. We got an A's Stadium, and I'm wearing an A's t-shirt now, so. You know, Oakland Alameda Stadium, I believe it's called. The Coliseum. So, I wonder if all the packs are like that. This one is the outfield cable car, which I guess is in San Francisco. So, Goldschmidt. Like I said, they're pretty. Oh, I'm sorry. I really apologize. They are really sharp cards. We're just going to open these up, see what kind of, you know, see if we do find an autographed card or something special along those lines. So, is that Altuve? No, it's Silver or something. Okay. That's probably an interesting card. There we go. I want to thank you to Carl's Cards and Collectibles for throwing this in. There's a Shohei Ohtani card. That's a pretty cool looking card. British player. Nice action shot. They are. Here's a the Swinging Friar. It's a mascot card. I always enjoyed that older Padres logo with the Swinging Friar on it. Now, even as a Phillies fan, I just love, I always did like the Braves uniforms, especially when they did wear the red like that. And, oh, I got a Citizens Bank card. There we go. CBP right there. For all you Phillies fans out there like myself. I apologize for the length of this. I'm going to try to open these as fast as I can. I mean, it looks like I did get a special card of some sort. It looks like it is George Brett. Kind of a neat card. There we go. Guessing that's like a short print of some sort, like an insert. Scott Kingery, Phillies. There we go. If there's anything else in there. Yeah, Phillies pack. Gene Segura card, which I like. That's a couple of the Phillies cards have them wearing the old style uniforms. It's pretty cool. Trying to hold these so that we can just kind of go through them quickly. There's a Padres Stadium card. Petco Park, I think it's still called. I don't know. I have a something from when I did a fan pack video a few years ago from Petco. They sent me like this anniversary. This is the Mariners Stadium. An anniversary. I guess it was like a portrait. It was something that they had given away. It was like on a canvas. And if you find one of my past fan pack videos, it should be in there. So I think I still have that somewhere. There's Miguel Cabrera. That's a nice card. What is that? Oh, jeez, he's dropping stuff. Javi Baez, Austin Meadows, another swinging friar. Alright, this is the final pack. So far it looks like the George Brett card was really the only kind of special insert. Alright, Rafael Devers, Trevor Story. I see a shiny card in here. Looks there. Tampa Bay Rays Stadium. And then a Miguel Baez. Looks like a refractor of some sort. Nice shiny card. There we go, everybody. So that was 2020 opening day. So very nice looking set of cards. So I always try to get the young people collecting. Topps has great products. Looks like this was the only one that had the advertisements. So baseball card day. I wonder if that's still going on. You have to check with the LCSs. So thank you for watching and have a great night.